ones. Big door. Big.
Oh,
Totally.
I'm gonna try my phone for that picture with
May I send it to you?
it. Yeah. Something.
Mm-hmm.
They say I want if you want to feel that in grandbaby, there's something here. Let me hear this and take up. Say what I know.
Guys, welcome back to another video with me, Petrina's Lifestyle. Guys, I do a little shopping today, and so I'm going to do a grocery haul. Alright, guys, so you're going to see what I bought today at the supermarket, and then I will tell you. Guys, I'm going to tell you how much I pay for the things then. I tell you the things them turn up, guys. But guys, how you all doing? Hope you're doing okay, you know. Hope you're doing alright in the neck of the woods when you get this vlog, morning, noon, and night. Bless upon yourself. All right, guys. Blessings, blessings, blessings. All right, guys. So, uh, good, good. Guys, first I got this diamond ultra strong bags. 15 all in it, guys. Yeah. So 15 all in this. Right, guys. So I got this today. Clean my meat and stuff, anything to store. All right. Then, guys, I got this today. Aluminum foil. You know, guys, you know what this is for wrap up stuff. All right, anything. All right, right here. So I got a chiffon, guys. I got a Lysol because I realize it's flu time now. So I got a Lysol for the kids. Them a sneeze and so on. So I got this to sanitize the house, Lysol, guys. Right. But today, guys, I got a Oxy. Put in my machine to wash my clothes. All right. Yeah. So Oxy right there, so. Guys, I got a toothpaste. This is the one that I use. Yeah, toothpaste, guys. All right. So I got a toothpaste. All right. Yep. This is my granddaughter leftover Coca-Cola. Yes, guys. So you know it in the grocery aisle too. I got a Scotch Brite, Scotchy. So while they pot them, guys, I know you have to keep your pot them clean and nice. Yes. I got 2 pack of destroyer, vape destroyer for the mosquito them, guys. And what them wear there? Yes. Alright, so I got 3 tissues. So I bought 3 of this. 3. Right, guys? So 3 of that. Right? I got a pack of cornmeal. Right, guys? To put in the flour. If you need up dumpling, I make the dumpling. Yeah. So right over this one, guys. Alright? I got 2 pack of sugar. Guys, 2 pack of sugar. Right there, so 2 pack of sugar. That's my favorite. Jasmine rice. Like this, so. Like this, so, guys. I got 2 pack. That is 1 pack, guys. And this is another pack. Yes, guys. I got some soap to bathe with. I got myself a roll on. Yup, a roll on. Yeah. And some soap. Protex soap, guys. So I got like, yeah, so one of that, one right there, so. Yeah, so, and I got myself a palmolive. Like palmolive. Yeah, so, right, that's a guy. So guys, a box are done. See there? This one done. Next box to go now, guys. I got myself some cookie. Oatmeal cookie. In the supermarket, nice as you get. Got myself some oatmeal cookie. Guys, I got myself a bulla. Yummy bulla. Yup. I got 3 coconut powders. Here they are. 3 of them. 3 of them. Yup. Can't follow. I got myself 3 chicken noodle Grace. Grace chicken noodle. Right here, so guys. Right over there, so them the guys. I got myself. See, I took up 2 of these guys. 2 for the next one, but I 2 of them, right? Find the next one, we make you see it. I pick up 4 guys, who remember the Jamaican parrot? Parrot over ears of parrot biscuit. Guys, come to parrot biscuit, guys. Right over to them, the guys. Yes, guys. Tuna. Tuna, guys. Yeah, right, that's up. A bottle of Carl's ketchup, guys. Yup. Guys, a good old, you know what it is? Ready milk. With the sugar. Gone a road with this, guys. Gone a road. Hello. I got myself a cranberry juice. This flavor, guys. Got this one. I got myself a Sprite. Just 1 bottle of Sprite. A bottle of water. Guys, me keep a bottle of water right on my bedside. Yeah, if you take my little pill them, a bottle of water. Right, guys? I'm get myself, guys, 2 Welch. Right, that's up. Welch. Right, see them there, guys? See them there? Yup. I got 3 of this, guys. Peanut punch. Search peanut punch. 3. A Snicker. Clover. This is what I drink, guys. I boil it and drink it. But it's good for pain and everything. Clover, guys. Look at it, good for pain. I take it for my pain. Boil it. Broad bean, guys. Sweetie, guys. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Ta la 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 la. Yes, guys, back this up. Guys, I got myself corned beef, right? And 5 double 7. Double 7, guys. Guys, see the next tea here. This one, this flavor. So me get myself double 7. See them in the box here, guys. See them in the double 7 in the box. Yeah. So double 7 right there. So yes, guys, and behind here, I got a lime salt. Guys, me use this and wash my clothes them. Yeah, good for wash your clothes them. Kill all viruses, all germs. Look on it. See there, guys? Lime salt for wash the clothes them, right? I never buy the soap today, guys, but wash soap because I already have soap. And I bought a pack of box for $50 for lunch. To do my lunch. Yes, guys. That's the right stuff. And we put the milk in the fridge, guys. So I brought a bottle of milk. You know the milk good for you. Milk, guys, good for you and good for the kids them. Alright, milk. Yeah. Buy my milk right there, so guys. And so guys, I buy this today. Yes. For dinner. Chicken for dinner, guys. Guys, you know one piece? Chicken for dinner. Right there, so guys. Yes, so. Right there, so guys. So we cover it in this, guys. Cover it nicely in this. Yes, guys. So that is so far that I've brought today, guys. Guys, I hope you enjoy this little grocery out of mine. And guys, everything right as I come to. I spend 18,000 something in a ILO, and then I go back in a general supermarket, go spend 4,500 and something. So guys, you do the math. 18,450 how much, guys? 18,000 mash and 4,500 mash. How much that? 18, 20, about 22, about 25 right there. So guys, so I saw the things that in Jamaica, I know. But what we are gonna do, guys, we can't eat the money. We can't eat the money, so what for us buy the food. Because we can't eat the money. Not true, guys. Put it in the comment section, guys. How you do your what you do, where you shop, what is what you do. and what you buy. If you buy anything similar to me, or just drop something in the comment section, guys. Just bless up yourself. Just continue to serve God. Praise God, because even though the time hard and rough, guys, we have to eat food. We have to eat food. We cannot eat no food. So all when it done sky, I will forget about that. We have to go get it and go buy sky eye. So I just saw the things set for today, guys. So guys, just have a good one. Just enjoy yourself. Eat, we have to eat food. No matter how expensive it is, we have to eat food. Right, guys? So just do the do and just enjoy yourself, guys. And guys, I'm going to tell you, I'm a big up. Big up my new subscriber, them. Big up my new subscriber and big up all of the viewers, them, guys. Let me tell you something. Just subscribe to my channel now. Guys, if you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up. Put on your notification bell, guys. That's when I upload a video, you will get it, right? It's this one I say, guys. Please like up the video. Share the video, guys, with your family members. Take them phone and just thumbs up. Guys, not hard than subscribing. I get too much views, guys. I'm a barely get subscribed. If you need to support me, because that's how YouTube is going to export me like Dora or Diego, you have to subscribe to my channel. So guys, please support me, guys, and subscribe to my channel. And my channel is Petrina's Lifestyle. Guys, Petrina's Lifestyle. And guys, may have other videos. So just go in the comment, just go in my other videos them. When you're pressing Petrina's Lifestyle, guys, you will see the rest of the video. So just go thumbs up to them, guys, and give me a good, nice comments, man. Comments, man. Tell me something nice. Guys, tell me something nice. Or put a art or something. Send up the art them. Send up Jamaican art them. Jamaica where they send up the art them. And all of the people them down in the west, Melissa, hurricane victim. No worry on yourself. God got to know. God got to know. Back when I say, God got to know. No soon alright. No worry on yourself. No matter what I want, the situation, the circumstances. You soon get back on the feet at Jamaica. We say Jamaica. Nice. Rise. Bless upon yourself. Bye-bye. Mwah. 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 Bye, guys.